Using a calendar effectively is crucial in our personal and professional lives. People who don't use their calendars properly can sometimes be labeled as undependable, unpredictable, and lazy. However, if you truly use your calendar correctly by showing up when and where you say you will, it will increase your credibility and open countless doors. Hi, this is Dr. V. Din from Physician Zen. In this video, we will go over step 10, how to use a calendar effectively. First, consolidate all your calendars into a calendar app. The easiest way is to use a native calendar app such as Apple Calendar or Microsoft Outlook. I personally use an app called Fantastical for Mac. Second, input events immediately and be specific. Schedule any event in your calendar immediately when it comes up. Don't wait for later, or eventually you will forget to add something important to your calendar. When inputting your event, make sure to be specific about the following: the title of the event, start and end time, the specific location, and a short note about what the event will be about. Third, set a reminder at least 15 minutes before an event time to ensure you don't miss any important meetings. Fourth, schedule and invite others. Being proactive is the key to being productive. Don't rely on others to put events into their own calendars. Invite them using your calendar app so it appears on their calendar as well. Fifth, always follow through and show up early. Early is on time is late, and late is unacceptable. Make it a habit to show up at least 5 minutes early to any meeting. This is a sign that you respect others' time and value the encounter you are about to have. Lastly, despite your best efforts, there will be times when you will be late for a meeting. Here are some things you can do in that situation. 1. Contact the person as soon as you know you're going to be late. 2. Apologize for the inconvenience. 3. Tell them why you are running late. 4. Give them an accurate time when you will be arriving. Visit physicianzen.com for a free PDF of the 12 steps and subscribe below.